Today we are going to begin Unit 3, Solving Linear Equations. I know that you did this last year, so we're going to breeze through it pretty quickly. We are going to start with Lesson 1, which is something that we did during Chapter 1. You will translate sentences into equations. In Chapter 1, we translated sentences into expressions. You will have a warm-up question. Please read all of the directions carefully. Here is your word problem. Guidelines, they don't really change. Table of contents, keep that updated. It will help you as we move throughout the year. Watch the videos, pausing as instructed, or when you need to write things down in your notebook. Today's checklist. You will do a warm-up problem. You'll have a story problem. You'll watch the video of the lesson. You're going to have a vocabulary sheet. I will show you that. You can copy it or print it. It's in the Google Classroom also. You have a table to complete that you will turn in on Google Classroom. This will be your grade for this lesson. You also will have extra practice opportunity in your book, page 124, 14 through 46 even. They will not be a grade. They definitely will appear on your test and quiz. Remember, all answers to bookwork are found in Schoology. You will find your video here. These are your assignments to be completed. This is the vocabulary sheet. I took some of the words that we had used in the past and typed them up for you. If you are reading a story problem, what word or words in the story problem would tell you would need to add? What would tell you need to subtract? Multiply or divide. To take it a step further, now that we're working with equations, we have equal signs, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Wondering how you tell the difference from a subtraction sign or an addition sign, more than versus is more than. Is a form of an equation. Is greater than means it would be the greater than sign, not the addition sign. Is less than is different than subtraction. The word is means you're changing an expression into an equation. Also, for your homework to be graded, you are going to complete the table. I did the first two for you. Expressions we started in Chapter 1. Equations now have an equal sign or an inequality sign. Inequality signs can be less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or simply not equal to. You will be highlighting key terms in each statement following this diagram. Numbers or digits will be this aqua color. Operations, remember operations mean plus, subtract, multiply, or divide. Your unknown, where you need to place a variable, you will highlight in green. The equal sign or the inequality you'll do in a hot pink. So when I look at this first one, 5 more than 4 times a number. 5 and 4 are numbers or digits. More than does not have the word is with it, so it is an operation as opposed to an inequality, so it gets yellowed. Times is an operation, meaning multiplication. A number is something I don't know, so I need to put in a variable. So this is an expression. I typed the expression under the column labeled expression. The next one, the sum of twice a number and 2 is greater than 4. So in yellow, I put some operations. Sum means to add. Twice means I'm going to multiply something by 2. Ooh, here's my variable, a number. I don't know, so that becomes green. The number 2 is a digit, so I put that in turquoise along with the number 4. Ooh, I see a key word here, is greater than. That then is an inequality, so I wrote the equation in the inequality column. 2n plus 2 is greater than 4. On the next couple, I took the highlighting for you and did that. You will just need to put the equation in either the expression, the equation column, or the inequality column. When you are done with this, please turn it into Google Classroom.